Assalamu alaikum. Today we are having a fruit party. So there are many fruits in this small bowl. So everyone had the bowl and they're eating the fruits.
Do you like to eat fruits?
Yes, miss.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
And I have seen a video where you have told about jackfruit.
Yes, miss.
You also like jackfruit, right? Okay. MashaAllah. Thank you. Now, Hamza, you say something.
You can have it.
Anything you have to say. Okay,
Miss.
Hamza, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Okay. You are also eating jackfruit. Don't you like jackfruit?
No.
Okay, Hamza doesn't like jackfruit that much. Now give it to Rafi. Rafi will say something about his favorite fruit.
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Watermelon. Oh, but there is no watermelon. What fruits have you got here?
Jackfruit, mango, and guava.
Okay. Thank you. Now give it to him. You say something about fruits. Why fruit is healthy? Why is it good for our health?
It is so healthy because if we eat any fruits, it gives us
Nutrition.
nutrition, yes, and
It has calcium.
it has calcium. Uh,
Okay. Do you like mango?
yes,
Do you like jackfruit?
I like the mango most.
Okay, thank you. Now tell me something about your fruits habit. Do you eat fruits every day or sometimes?
Sometimes I eat fruits, not every day.
Every day. Okay, thank you. Now Rosa, you say something. What is your favorite fruit? Just say.
My favorite food is guava.
Your favorite fruit is guava. Wow. We also like guava, right? All of you? Do you like guava?
Yes.
Okay, I give it to her. Are you enjoying the fruit party?
Yes, of course.
Okay, why do you like the fruit party? Why?
Because I enjoy
You are enjoying?
with my friends.
Do you miss any friends?
Yeah,
Who?
Jaifa.
Okay, you are missing her. I think she's little bit sick.
Sick, yeah.
Inshallah, she will be okay. I hope so. So, what is your favorite fruit?
Guava.
Guava. Rosa also likes guava.
Yeah.
Okay, give it to Arjun. Arjun, say something about summer fruits. What kinds of fruit grow in our country in summer?
In summer, fruits grows in Bangladesh. It's like jackfruit, mango, and also more like guava and
When you go
more.
to your village, do you see any tree, mango tree?
No, in my village there were no mango trees, but in my home, my mom's maternal father's home, I there are lots of jackfruit trees and mango trees.
Mashallah. So do you bring when you come Dhaka? That time do you bring?
Yes, I bring
some
like
fruits?
many, not some, I mean really many of them.
Wow. So all of you have enjoyed the party?
Yes, miss.
Thank you so much.